Hi there. I have a surprise. Are you excited? You're curious? Maybe scared because it is me and sometimes my surprises are evil, but nevertheless still leave some fun. So I was thinking, this is what we could do. I really want to lock you up. Did you know you can order handcuffs off the internet these days? I did. I do. And I maybe have ordered them. Gotta try them out on someone. Should be you, right? So, yeah, handcuffs are on the internet. It's great. I never thought that would be a thing, but they are. The double locking police grade ones. And they're cheap. So, yes, I ordered them. They came in the mail today, so I've been excited all day to try this out. Eee! Lucky. Just the heavy, cold steel. The sound of them. It's exciting, no? They're so thick and heavy. They feel very sturdy and secure. And I like that. If you're gonna play with bondage, you might as well try something that you know people won't be able to wiggle out of. Oh yes, in case you haven't noticed, I got them in black. This black is sexy. I mean, could have done silver, but I don't know. Black is kind of dark. If you really like these, or I should say, if I really like these, and maybe we'll have to order the ankle cuffs too. And you know, the chain that can go down to the waist and hook to the ankle cuffs. That would be hot. What do you think? Should we give these a go? No, I don't really know how long I'm gonna lock you up. But I mean, prisoners wear these for a long extended amount of time. So you can do it for me, right? For my fun and entertainment. I don't think it'll hurt you. It might be a little uncomfortable or awkward when you walk around and you hear this. But it's worth it in my opinion. So, why don't you hold out your hands for me so I can get these bad boys going. Oh, the key? No, I'm not going to tell you where the key is. I hid it. It's not in the house. Nope. You're going to have to play my version if you want to get out. And I know you do. That's what makes it fun, right? I have all the power. Let me have the control. Hands out. There's one. That was a rush. Let's do the other. You ready? Oh, nice and snug, but not too tight. Just enough to make you aware all the time. Oh, I like this already. Okay, go walk around so I can hear you and follow you. I'm really curious how this is gonna go. Thanks for playing.